What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to connect your phone to a 2022 Toyota Prius using Bluetooth. Like I said, this is a 22 Prius in the video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone's settings and then click on Bluetooth and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then we're going to come over to the radio, and on the right-hand side over here, we're going to click the phone button. And then once we get to this screen, we'll click Add. Now, if we take a look at our phone, it's going to pull it up as Toyota Prius right there. So we'll go ahead and click on that. This is just asking if you want to give it access to your contacts. And then we'll just see it connecting here. And that's it. Now we're connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.